This is Shelby's Adventure coming to you from my favorite park, Lake's Adventure. I'm taking a little bike ride today on this Sunday morning on the C1, Hiboy, C1. So hopefully it's not too busy, but we'll soon find out. So we'll head on out here. I was just talking to a lady that came up to me, asking about the bike, asking me a little bit about it. She's never seen anything like it. She was like really impressed by the size and what it is. I told her, yeah, it's a fun little thing. Yeah, it's a little crowded, so we'll be going a little slower. There's a bike sitting over there. Oh. There's some cute little puppies. Hello. I'm just going about 9 miles an hour. I'm in eco mood. This is a beautiful fall day. It's supposed to be the nicest day of the week, and we're going to be getting cold very shortly. I'm not going to get too much riding in, so I figured to go today. Get a little bit of riding in. People are getting a little walking in. It makes it just a nice day for everybody. Plus, I just wanted to do a little review on the bike. Excuse me. And yeah, this little bike, like again, it's perfect for what I need. It's great. It's powerful. It's nice. It's just all around good bike. I just like when people come up to me and say, hey, what is that thing? I think that it's a wonderful thing when people come up to you and say, hey, I just want to know a little bit more about it. And I told her I was going to let her take it for a spin, but I just don't want to do that. It's not that I don't trust her, I just wouldn't want her to fall off and hurt herself. Then I feel bad. But it was cool just to she was just like, what kind of bike is that? You know, and I told her that it's semi-folds, and that sold her. Like, she's like, what's the name of it? Where do I get it? And I told her. So, who knows? Maybe she'll get one. It's kind of cool. It's kind of a cool feeling when you kind of get a selling point down for somebody that is interested in one. And I told her there's other bikes that fold down even more than what this one is. They fold in half. This one, you know, the handlebars fold down and the seat comes out and the pedals fold. So it's semi-folds. And I showed her where it can't fit all the way in my car. I have to put the seat down. But the ones that probably fold in half, you wouldn't have to do that. And I'm looking at one actually now. And I might buy it for next year. It's called a Fabio Ultralight. It's only 38 pounds. It's about the same 350 watt motor as this bike has. So I might check that out. I'm not sure yet. I'm affiliated with that company also, so I might try them out. Right now the bike's on a good sale. But we'll stop talking about that bike and continue still talking about my Hiboy C1. The stickers that I have, I'm a little bit disappointed in them. I thought that they would be a little tough on preventing scratches. Well, the bike still scratches, so I'm not gonna worry about them. I'll leave them on, but there, it's pulling the sticker off now. So I don't give them a very good review. Cool look, they're cool looking, but yeah, I'm not gonna keep them on. I'll probably actually ended up taking them off because the ones I see just peeling off. Well, you know, goes to show sometimes there's cheap stuff on Amazon. It's not always the best. There we go through the tunnel. Always like the ding ding. Okay, and I think I'm gonna put it up to middle grade because I am, and actually my watch is starting to fall off. So hold on just a second. There we go. There we go. Now I'm back in business. Come on, bike. Kick in. There we go. So, there we go. Now I'm rolling. It's a little bit of a hill there. Yeah. And I'll just run up to the end of this one. Probably on this video. I'm going to run to the end of it. End of the trail, rather. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Look at all these people walking. It's wonderful. It's really wonderful. Everybody needs to get out as much as they can. Yeah, they just need to get out and ride. Even if it's on an electric bike, you're still out and about. And I told that woman also, it's not cheating. It's just helping you get up hills, helping you get places. And when you wear out, you can just throttle it home. That's how I see it. So it's a good thing. Okay, I gotta put it back down to economy because we're not on as many hills, and I like to have a little bit more resistance. And I'll put the link to this bike in the description. I'm going to put 2 links, my Hiboy link and my Amazon affiliate link. My Hiboy link, I'm not sure you get any discount code for this, but I'll make sure that if there is one, I'll place it there. Right now this bike is $4.99. It was $4.29, but the price went up a little bit. I still think it's not a bad deal for what you get. There's ones out there that are a lot more money that aren't as good of a deal. Yeah, but I enjoy this bike tremendously. I wish I could get out and ride more, but I have to work. And weekends are pretty much it. I only have 60% left on my Insta 360 camera, which isn't bad. Okay, now I gotta get it up a little bit there. There we go. I might ride down to the pond. See how my pond is doing here. I'm still at 4 bars. Still 100%. I've ridden about a mile and a half or so. So it's not bad at all. There we go. Put it back in the eco mood. Yeah, the pond looks like it's starting to go to sleep. But we'll ride out there a minute. And that's probably where I'll end it. I'll end it at the pond. We'll go through here. Ugh. A little bit of a rough ride there. And we'll end it down here at the pond. This is kind of my little fun spot I like to go to and just hang out. And remember, we gotta stop at the bottom here because it is a deep drop that I don't want to go off of. So I'll just park the bike here. Well, that's the one thing about this kickstand. It does not hold this bike up worth anything. So I gotta find a rock or something to put it on to give it a little bit of height. There we go. I think we got it. So here's the good old bike, the good old Hiboy. I'll just show you real quick. As you can see, yeah, I'm gonna be taking that sticker off, and yeah, I'm not gonna be using these stickers. I'm going to be taking them off. I'll leave my Shelby's garage on, or my Shelby's not garage. I'll be leaving that one on because that one stays. That one stays how it should. But yeah, these are really not good. They're probably on there for good now, so those are. So I'll put this in my pocket and throw it away later. But yeah, these stickers are not any good, so we're not going to leave that on. But otherwise, this bike is great. I love it. Yeah, I'm gonna just step down here and check out this pond and the lily pads. Yeah, they look like they're going to sleep and stuff like that. It's kind of a sad time of year where everything kind of goes to sleep, and then we'll wake up in the springtime, beautiful as could be. Yeah, but as you can see, the bike sits pretty good right there. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it, and I'm going to be ending this video here. So please like, share, subscribe, and comment. I really would love it. I'm gonna probably do 1 or 2 more videos of the bike ride this year before the weather gets too bad. Then I'm probably gonna, you know, put the bike away for the year, and I might do a Christmas ride to maybe see some Christmas lights in the neighborhood or something. Might go down to Longhorns, you know, local stuff, but nothing too big. There's a bike rider there. But I'm going to be leaving this video right now, so please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.